Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. My name is Nwaezeedavid, and in this video I'll be walking you through how to register a business in the UK using rapid formations. Now before I share my screen with you to show you how this is done, I'd like to point out that so many non-UK residents can actually register a business in the UK from the comfort of their homes. Now with that being said, I've listed all the supported countries in an article and you'll find the link in the description of this video. Go ahead and click on that link and check if your country is among that list. And remember, this video is meant to educate you and inform you of the possibility of owning a UK-based business. So go ahead right now and avoid any form of distraction. Pay close attention as I'm going to share my screen right now to show you how to register a business in the UK. Let's go. Alright, so when you have clicked the link in the description of this video, you'll be taken straight to this page. Now the first thing you need to do when you get here is to enter the name of the business you want to register. Now I'm going to enter a name as the media. Okay, this is the name I want to register in the UK. I'm going to enter it here and then click on search. We want to search if this name is available in the UK. Say congratulations, your name is available. Now if your name is not available, you will be notified and then you can search again. But since it's available, go ahead and choose a package. I'm going to click on choose a package and then you see so there's so many packages here. Yes, basic, privacy plus. Go ahead and choose the one that is okay with you. Now if you are not a UK resident, go ahead and select the non-UK resident option. Now this is the package for the people that are not UK residents. Okay, so there are two options here. There's a non-UK non-resident and non-resident plus. So I'm gonna go ahead and go for non-resident plus because it has every other thing that we need. So if you are registering as a non-UK resident, go ahead and select that plan and then proceed to this option where you're going to make a payment. Now so this form is gonna come up where you're going to select the option we want. So just go through this option here. Remember, even if you don't add it, it doesn't affect your business registration, but some of them are necessary, like this ICO registration service is important, so you can add it. Click on add and add it here. Then once you've done that, so go ahead and check this box. This read the terms and condition and privacy policy. If you have not read it, go ahead and read it right now. Then you click on checkout. Now once you click on checkout, you'll be able to register your business, your details by entering your email, confirm your email and then enter your password. This will be used to register an account for you. So enter your email address and your password, your first name, last name, phone number, then enter your address. Select this button and then find your UK address. If you have a UK address, select it. Now if you don't have a UK address, I'm going to leave a link in the description of this video on how to get a UK address even if you're not a UK resident. Now especially for those who their country is not among the list that I've listed in the article that I shared with you. So if your country is not there, go ahead and click on the alternative option that's creating a UK address. Or if your country is there, so go ahead here and select the country, click on submit. And once you've done that, your address will be populated here. Go ahead and then enter your card details. Now this page that says CVC and CVV is a 3-digit number at the back of your credit card. So enter it here and then click on pay securely. Now once you have finished making your payment, you will log into your dashboard, then monitor the progress of your business registration. This is a simple and straightforward method. You don't need to stress yourself. You can do everything from the comfort of your home. So go ahead right now and make payments, register your business. And if you have any question, do where to reach out to me in the comment section and I'll do my best to answer your questions. So there you have it, a step-by-step tutorial guide helping you register your business in the UK from the comfort of your home. Now there are so many advantages to registering your business in the UK, like having a UK business bank account, having Stripe and PayPal accounts, etc. So I recommend that you take advantage of this opportunity right now and register a business in the UK. So now I've done something for you and I need you to do something for me in return. I need you to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to this channel if you have not done so you don't miss out on any of my updates, and also share this video with your friends and let them take advantage of this opportunity. Last but not the least, the link to rapid formation sign up is in the description of this video. So go ahead right now and click on that link to sign up and I'll see you in the next video.